Imagine receiving a world-class education at one of the nation's top public universities, while having your tuition, living expenses, and more completely covered. Well, the University of Florida Scholarships 2025 to 2026 might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. In today's video, we'll explore the multiple scholarship programs offered by the University of Florida for both undergraduate and graduate students. I'll share details on the benefits, eligibility criteria, the step-by-step application process, important deadlines, and of course, the official application link so you can get started right away. Hello dreamers! Welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media, your ultimate guide to unlocking global opportunities for study, work, and life abroad. Today I have some incredibly exciting news for all of you who dream of studying in the USA without financial worries. In today's video, we'll explore the multiple scholarship programs offered by the University of Florida for both undergraduate and graduate students. I'll share details on the benefits, eligibility criteria, the step-by-step application process, important deadlines, and of course, the official application link so you can get started right away. So grab your notepad, settle in, and let's dive deep into how you can make your dream of studying at UF a reality. Before we get into the scholarship details, let's talk about why the University of Florida, UF, is an excellent choice for your higher education journey. Academic excellence. UF is consistently ranked among the top public universities in the United States. It boasts a world-class curriculum, cutting-edge research, and exceptional faculty in a variety of disciplines. Diverse programs. With over 200 undergraduate programs and more than 500 graduate programs, UF offers a wide range of academic opportunities, from STEM fields to business, arts, humanities, and beyond. Vibrant campus life. Located in Gainesville, Florida, UF offers a lively, diverse, and inclusive environment where you can thrive academically and personally. Global recognition. A degree from UF opens doors around the world, and their extensive network of alumni and industry connections can boost your career prospects. Financial support. Perhaps most importantly for many students, UF provides robust scholarship and financial aid options to help remove the financial barriers to education. Whether you're an international student dreaming of studying in the USA or a domestic student looking for financial support, UF has a scholarship for you. Let's now break down the types of scholarships available for the 2025 to 2026 academic year. Understanding the eligibility criteria is crucial to your success. Here's what you need to know. For undergraduate scholarships, you must have completed high school or be in your final year. A strong academic record is essential, typically a GPA of 3.5 or higher. Demonstrated leadership and community involvement can boost your application. For graduate scholarships, you must hold a bachelor's degree from an accredited institution. A strong academic record is expected. For research-oriented programs, prior research or relevant professional experience is a plus. Proof of English language proficiency. Step-by-step process to apply for the University of Florida Scholarships 2025 to 2026. Step 1. Apply for admission. First, you must submit your application for your chosen undergraduate or graduate program through the official UF admissions portal. Visit UF Admissions. Ensure you meet all academic and language requirements. Step 2. Explore scholarship opportunities. Once you apply for admission, you'll gain access to UF Scholarship Portal. Visit the Student Financial Aid and Scholarships page to review available scholarships. Check out UF Scholarships and Awards. Step 3. Prepare your application documents. Gather your academic transcripts, standardized test scores, recommendation letters, and personal statement. Prepare a strong, compelling essay that outlines your achievements, career goals, and why you deserve the scholarship. Step 4. Submit your scholarship application. Complete the scholarship application form on the UF Scholarship Portal. Upload all required documents. Double-check that everything is accurate and complete before submission. Step 5. Monitor your application. After submission, Keep a close eye on your email and US portal for any updates or requests for additional information. Scholarship results are typically announced between March and May 2025. My dear Dreams Abroad family, the opportunity to study at the University of Florida on a fully funded scholarship is more than just financial support. It's a chance to transform your life and achieve your academic dreams without the burden of tuition fees. Imagine the knowledge you'll gain, the networks you'll build, and the impact you can have on the world. I truly believe that education is the key to unlocking a brighter future, and opportunities like these are rare. So, if you're serious about making your mark in the world and ready to seize this chance, don't wait. Apply today and take that first bold step toward a successful future. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media so you never miss out on more opportunities like this. Also, leave your questions or comments below. I'd love to hear from you and help you on your journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, your dreams have no limits. Until next time, stay inspired, stay determined, and keep chasing your dreams. Good luck, and see you in the next video.